Hello everybody, my name is Mr. Monopoly, and welcome to the Metaverse. Now, I got my microphone back today, so hopefully the audio is a little bit better, but let's take a look at the crypto markets right now, because it's currently at $67,809, and let's take a closer look at the charts of Bitcoin, what's going on right now. Everybody started freaking out just because we had a 10% pullback. Like, I don't understand. If you guys want to have these, like, 2Xs, you know, $150,000 Bitcoin, you know, there's going to be some dips along the way. Just breathe, and just relax. Oh yeah, that's basically what's happening right now. Bitcoin, you know, Halving's coming in actually in exactly 2 weeks away. So a lot of people are predicting, you know, what price are we going to see, you know, by the time the Bitcoin halving actually happens. You know, it would be really great to see $70,000 Bitcoin. So then that way, not financial advice, you should expect to see a 2x, you know, for Bitcoin within, you know, a year. I don't know, 150k, 200k, 250k. What do you guys think? Comment down below. But yeah, that's basically what's going on. On other news, we also got you know, XRP. You know, who's holding the XRP, guys? I think this could be, you know, first thing that came to my mind was that this is going to be a CBDC. If the banks truly use the XRP ledger network, then this would be the stablecoin that they would use. They wouldn't use the actual token since it's very volatile. It's going to be on the Ethereum network and on the XRP ledger. But in other news, we got BlackRock like the usual. Oh my goodness, I think BlackRock and Fidelity own $26 billion, if I'm not mistaken, of the entire circulating supply. That's more than 1%. Like, I don't know how I feel about this. Just try not to be their, you know, exit liquidity. In other news, like I said before, Bitcoin halving, 2,000 blocks remaining, 14 days exactly. The eclipse is happening on Monday. Comment down below if you guys are excited, what you guys are planning to do. Are we going to be buy the rumor, sell the news, or are we going to pump? If you want to stay updated, make sure to check out oh, I forgot to say, the bag is officially 1 week old. Yes, there's still a lot of work to do, but I'm still working on a bunch of stuff on the back end. Lots of specifics to get worked out. I'll mention one right now. Like I said before, make sure to check out the Twitter right now. I'm currently getting re-verification just because I took out the 10 on my username. So hopefully that pops back up pretty soon. But yeah, in the bio, you'll be able to see the Bag ADA coin URL. Make sure to click on that one on the official, well, when it gets official Twitter, and the ticker is BAG as usual. We could actually take a closer look at the website, you know, and the very nice updated website. Pretty nice, pretty essential. Policy ID right there, make sure to use that. Tokenomics, you know, the per usual, you know, blah blah, not financial advice. And then official links right here, very nice. You can actually click on them and then it'll take you, and at the very bottom you can see the origin story. But yeah, like on MinSwap, one of the things that I do really want to get worked on and currently awaiting approval is the actually verification, just so it's differentiated. Because when you look up BAG, it won't pop up, you know, under verified tokens, obviously, because it's not verified. Oops, that's not how you spell it. And then you click on verification. So the first part was, you know, registering the token, so it could have, you know, the little logo, so, you know, you wouldn't mix it up with all these other tokens. And then once you actually get it, you know, it'll be verified, and then it'll just be more easier to find. Like tap tools, I like the way they display the actual information. They'll show daily volume, pulled ADA, blah blah blah. They show the chart, you know, very nice, you know, how many holders, blah blah blah, this and that. But like I said, total supply. Still working on a lot of stuff on the back end. Very exciting news to come, hopefully by the time next week comes around. But other than that, thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate anybody that supports the project. It's a meme, you know, very nice. Chase the bag, hold the bag, secure the bag, you know, just simple as that. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to give it a thumbs up, like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, follow the Twitter X account for all the latest updates on the go, instant, in a flash, and I will see you guys in the next one.